friends, welcome to Jayshree's kitchen. Thank you for tuning in. And all my recipes are whole food plant-based diet, no oil, no sugar. And I am going to show you today how to make miso soup. So, which I already attached the ingredients and the recipe along with the video. So it's there. So let's start sauteing the onion. So what I'm going to do, I took some vegetable broth, you can see that, and I'm putting the onion in so it doesn't stick. So we will start sauteing the onion, and while we are sauteing, what I'm going to do, I am going to take, this is a miso paste. This is the organic miso paste which I got, I think it's available in all the stores, Whole Food, Meyer, Japanese food store, I think it's available everywhere anyway. So this is a white miso paste. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to whisk it together, all the ingredients over here. So I took 5 tablespoons anyway, and I am taking some veggie broth over here. So I'm taking 2 cups of veggie broth. So I'm going to put some over here too while I'm sauteing onion. And so 2 cups of veggie broth. See, the fermented food is so good for you. So, and I'm taking some water. So really the fermented food is very good for you. You should try to include in your diet every day fermented food because it is good for your gut health. And this miso paste is fermented, so it is a really good soup for our body and for our stomach. So, and really you want to make sure, I think all the miso soup is broken in the veggie broth in the water. So it is broken. So now I think the onion is almost done. I am putting some mushroom. I think we are just doing for a minute or two, you know, and then I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this thing, the miso paste and water and veggie broth inside. So I'm putting in that. And then what I'm doing, I am adding so let it boil, and then I'm adding the tofu. I am always buying organic super farm tofu by Nasoya or by any other brand, but I try to use in my cooking super farm tofu. So, and then I kind of cube the tofu in little pieces and I crumble some. So I'm putting there, and I am I'm using just a little bit chili paste. So this is going to get boiled. I think fermented food, if you use it every day in your cooking like even eating yogurt, eating kimchi, eating like miso soup, any fermented food like is really good for the gut health. They say really every meal you should include fermented food, then you will not have a digestive problem with your stomach, and you will become healthier. It will digest better, the food will digest better, food will break down better in the stomach. So really fermented food is definitely a way to go. Sometimes we eat just yogurt, like a whole food plant-based yogurt, like almond yogurt or soya yogurt, and so really it is a definitely miso soup is really good for you because of you are eating fermented food. So this is going to get boiled, and at last we are putting spinach over here. I think we love miso soup because it's so good for you. So with our all the Asian things we eat, sometimes we just include the miso soup, bowl of soup, with dumplings or with tofu wrap or with noodles, So, so I think you can let it boil and you can test it, Do you want to dilute more or do you want to keep it the same, So this is really very good. So this is the way it looks, and you can let it boil for a couple more minutes. I am taking it out. This is the way it looks. So this is the miso soup. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.